Hey guys, in our today's episode, I will show you 3 best photo editing apps. These apps are easy to use, it does only one thing but it does it amazingly well. It adds wonderful, super realistic looped effects and adds such a massive improvement to your photos. These apps have the highest quality effects to create the look you want. Before we start the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos update. So let's start.
Swag, bitch.
Number 1 we have, Images. Images adds wonderful, super realistic looped effects to your photos. You can add any effect to any photo and turn it into a beautiful cinematograph. Without any effort, this application works really simple. Just pick a photo to choose which effect of motion do you need and do the editing job. These apps have more features like rotate the photos into 90 degrees and flip the photos on both the side, and changes the color of your photos. So I am change the color of my photos. Now let's check the effects. So can see here lots of loop effects are here. Just scroll down for more effects. Select the best effects which suit the image and gives a cinematographic look. I am selecting this effect. So this effect gives a super realistic look to my photos. This app has a wonderful feature that you can share an image directly to Instagram. And you can also share this images on other social media or save the images in your device. Now let's check out how much this app had in effect. Second, we have Lens Distortion. Lens Distortion gives you the highest quality ingredients to craft the look you want. In your photos, each effect overlay is created by capturing real-world elements in camera, which will give you a rich, detailed photograph. The unique feature of this application is that you can use a lot of effects and different layers in a single photo. The app is very easy to use because it wasn't developed to be an all-in-one editing suite. It does only one thing: add lens, light effects to your photos, but it does it amazingly well. The light hits are so subtle but add such a massive improvement to photos. I love that they put a feel more natural in that you would never know it was added in images. Blurring off the edge of the photo can add an organic element to the photo or easily draw the eye to a particular part of the image. The highest quality effects to create the look you want. Each overlay is created by capturing real-world elements in camera, giving you unparalleled detail and realism. Add elegant glass effects and natural sunlight, rain, snow, or fog. The 5 filters from each pack are absolutely free. And you can share the images on social media directly from this app. Third, Auto Hash. Are you tired of adding hashtags manually on Instagram? Are you tired of searching for the best hashtags on Instagram? Auto Hash will get you all the best hashtags without any effort. To put the best hashtags for your Instagram photos? Just select a photo and after less than a second, you will get all the best hashtags you need. Auto Hash can help you share your photos with the hashtags directly on Instagram.